If you're seeing Premiere Pro render error-free or that frustrating error compiling movie message during export, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your project exported without wasting hours guessing what went wrong. This error usually happens because of GPU acceleration issues, corrupted media, or an effect that Premiere Pro just doesn't like during rendering. So in the next few minutes, we'll go through the most reliable solutions, starting with the simplest one first. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, editing fixes, and practical workflow tips that save you time every week. Alright, let's get into it. First, the easiest fix is to switch from hardware encoding to software encoding. When you're in the export window, look for the Video tab, then scroll down to the Encoding Settings section. If performance is set to hardware encoding, change it to software encoding. This tells Premiere Pro to rely less on your GPU during export, and for a lot of creators, that alone fixes render error free immediately. Once you make the change, try exporting again and see if the issue is gone. If the error still appears, the next step is to change your project renderer. Go to File, then Project Settings, and open General. Under Renderer, switch from the GPU option to Mercury Playback Engine, software only. This is another way to reduce strain on the graphics card and force Premiere Pro to process the timeline more reliably. It may export a little slower, but if the problem is GPU related, this can be the difference between a failed export and a successful one. Now, if you're still getting the error, it's time to update your GPU drivers. Outdated or unstable graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of export failures in Premiere Pro. If you're on an NVIDIA card, the NVIDIA Studio drivers are usually the best choice for editing software because they're optimized for creative apps like Premiere Pro. After updating, restart your computer, reopen Premiere Pro, and test the export again. Another very important fix is clearing your media cache. Over time, Premiere Pro stores cache files that help speed up playback and editing, but if those files become corrupted, they can cause weird export errors like this one. To clear them, go to Preferences, then Media Cache, and delete the cache of files. Once that's done, restart Premiere Pro so it can rebuild clean cache data from scratch. If the problem is still not solved, the next step is to identify the corrupted frame or problematic clip. Usually, Premiere Pro will show a timecode in the error message. Pay close attention to that timecode because it often points directly to the spot in your timeline where the export is failing. Go to that exact section, then look for anything unusual like a damaged video clip, a heavy effect, a broken transition, a nested sequence, or a third-party plugin. Try disabling the effect, replacing the clip, or cutting around that section, then export again. In many cases, the error is caused by just one bad frame or one incompatible effect. If you're still stuck, try changing your export settings. Sometimes the issue is not the timeline itself, but the specific format you're exporting to. For example, if H.264 keeps failing, try exporting to ProRes instead. ProRes is often more stable and can help bypass rendering issues, especially when Premiere Pro is struggling with compression or GPU processing. Once you get a clean ProRes export, you can always compress it later into your final delivery format. A good troubleshooting tip is to test one fix at a time. Don't change everything at once because then it becomes hard to tell which solution actually worked. Start with software encoding, then software-only rendering, then GPU driver updates, then media cache clearing, and finally check the exact timecode and export format. That method gives you the best chance of finding the real cause quickly. If you want to go even further, you can also try simplifying your sequence by disabling heavy effects, removing problematic adjustment layers, or exporting in smaller sections to isolate the error. That can help you narrow down whether the issue is caused by one part of the timeline or by the project as a whole. So to recap, if Premiere Pro is giving you render error free, switch to software encoding, change the renderer to software only, update your GPU drivers, clear the media cache, check the timecode for a corrupted frame, and test a different export format like ProRes. These steps solve most export issues and should help you finish your project without the frustration. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Premiere Pro fixes and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.